All right, guys, so I'm on my morning walk. We're going to talk about XRP, the fact that it is stalled out. For the last 7 days or so, we've seen XRP really consolidating, and is today going to be the day that XRP breaks out and it all changes. We're going to talk about why this might happen and what is happening today, and there's actually two events. And so all that is in this video, as well as I appreciate you giving me a moment. Hit that like, hit that subscribe if you would, do me a favor. If you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. Okay, before I get into this, there's a brand new thing I'm doing for you guys that is absolutely free. It's down in the link in the description below. And if you're watching this X below this video, I'm giving you a free newsletter for wealth creation strategies. So if you're looking for ways to make even more money in crypto or stocks, it's a free newsletter that's going to kick off this week. And it'll be at least 2 or 3 newsletters per week. And the whole goal is to help you make more money in crypto and stocks. And it's free, right down there in the description below. All right, so here's what we got going on today. What's going on today? Okay, we all kind of, hopefully you know this, right? If you don't, well, then this is new news. We got the Federal Reserve today. They're going to be announcing if they're going to reduce that base interest rate. Is that going to happen today? The odds are no. The odds are that they are not going to reduce the base Federal Reserve funds rate. Trump wants them to reduce it 3 points. To give you some perspective, usually at the most it's reduced by 1 point. And that's happened maybe very few, but a couple of times in the past. Usually it's reduced by a quarter rate or a half or 0.25, 0.5, what have you. Trump is out on social media. I want 3 points today. Gotta love him. Okay, so look, the deal is, they're not going to reduce the rate. So what's the impact on XRP? What's the impact on crypto? It's going to do nothing today. It is going to be one of those days where nothing's going to happen. And you need to know this, right? You need to know that this is a thing. You need to know that this event is out there. If we get a shock, we get a surprise. If the Fed does actually reduce the rate, it'll probably be a quarter point, 0.25. And that'll be about it. But if they do reduce it, then that will be viewed by Wall Street, by crypto, etc., the institutions, as a good thing. You'll see everything start to run. You'll see stocks run, you'll see crypto run, all of that. So, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think it's gonna be pretty much a nothing burger of a news. They're gonna cite all these reasons, but here's the funny thing. The economy is doing actually very, very well. And the Federal Reserve keeps talking about they wanna wait to see how the tariffs are gonna impact the economy, and all the data coming in is saying that the tariffs on all the countries is actually having a net positive effect, all right, on the economy and all these kind of things, and not having a detrimental effect on inflation, on people's wallets, on what it costs, things of that nature. Okay, that's the deal. So expect XRP to continue to consolidate. Expect XRP to continue to do what it's doing until we get some type of a catalyst. Now, there's another event that's happening today, and this one I don't think is going to be enough to move the price of crypto. We are expecting a crypto report out of the White House today, and I was reading, kind of trying to see what was going to be in that. Supposedly, there's not going to be anything mentioned about the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. So again, this crypto report coming out of the White House may end up being a nothing burger as well. We'll see what comes out in this report. So that's today as well. I just kind of wanted to tell you guys what was going on and tell you, hey, I appreciate you supporting the channel. Been doing this for almost 5 years. It's crazy when I think about that. January will be 5 years that I've been making videos. And a little point of note, I have not missed one single day. One time I was really, really sick, and I tell this story. I was in my truck and I had to make a video that day, and I was really sick. I was throwing up and all this kind of stuff, and I opened the door, threw up, made a video, and then pushed stop, and then opened the door and threw up again. But I made that video, right? It's just funny. Anyway, a little side note, a little peek behind the curtain. But I really appreciate you guys. Hey, some days and sometimes there's not a lot going on, guys, okay? There's just not a lot. And right now, that's where we're at right now. Although, look, we've seen XRP went up 65+% more this month. So overall, July's been a fantastic month for XRP specific. It's really been a great month for crypto as well. But right now we're waiting. The market's waiting XRP is consolidating for about 7 days. It's been going sideways. That's where we're at. So we're waiting for something positive to move the market. I don't think it's going to be today. I don't think that anything's going to happen out of this Federal Reserve meeting. We're not going to get a base rate reduction. They should reduce it. They should absolutely reduce it. So anyway, that's what I got for you. As always, appreciate you giving me a few minutes. I'll see you.